if you want to comment or like or interact with a post on Bluesky Social, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, move along to open up the Bluesky. Make sure that you logged in, verified your email and everything. And then basically, if you want to interact with the post, you can interact with 3 ways. You can comment on that post, right, with your own opinion. You can add GIF, camera, screenshot, a snapshot or of your own self talking to that or reacted to that post, or you can just go ahead and add video and photo, right? And you can react or interact with the post by reposting that that post, and you can repost it as a normal post like a retweet, or you can quote the post and add your own opinion about that post, right? And you have of course the like button. You can just go ahead and hit the like button, and that post will be saved in your likes, and people who follow you will see that post along the way. Okay, and if you want to share that post, you could just go ahead and click the 3 dots and then click share, right? Or you could just copy the post text and then react to what's been said, right? And then add their username to react on that post, which is which is like a stretch, but this is another way of basically reacting to a post. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.